Alright guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Austin. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a series page. Not just that, I'm going to teach you how you can add your book to series page, just as you can see, and how you can remove it, because it's very important to know the difference between adding and removing. Yes, and at the end of this tutorial, we'll tell you now you can get access to a Canva Pro account so that you can have at least more beautiful design when making stuff. So what we're going to do is, first of all, you have to go straight to the website called kdp.amazon.com. There is no need putting anything like this. So if you're on your smartphone or any of your tablet, just have to do it like this, and it's going to take you directly to this place. Yes, so the first thing you want to do is to create something. And what are you creating? That is where the series come, and there are two ways to do this. So I'll be showing you one way, which is first of all creating your series, or secondly, when making your ebook or paperback, all you have to do is to add it to a series. At that process, you can create a series. But let's start with the first step for now. So what we want to do now is try to click the create sign. We already know what series is. Series is just like a catalog where you add your books, almost same kind of book, either the same pen name or the same type of book. When I mean pen name, you can decide to answer Justin Bieber or Michael Jackson, or in all the series book you're making under that catalog or series. Yes, just like a carton having same kind of books. Yes, or one author making different kind of books. That is the idea behind series. So what we want to do, you can see from here, we have the normal. You can create the paperback, add cover. So there is no presidency, or let me just say there is no sequence when creating this. Some ask, is it possible to create paperback before ebook? My answer is anyone you feel like creating first, you're permitted. So click on this create series page, then it's going to open. So when you do that, the first thing it will ask you is, what is the name of your series? Yes. So, but first of all, are you using any language of your choice? You can pick here. You can decide to start from German. You can decide to start from French. You can decide to do Spanish. You can decide to do Italian. Any of this, it's a welcome idea. Now, having said this, now the next thing we want to do is start with the title. So the title here now is what is the name of your series? Now let's say I want to make a series called Gratitude. Yes, that is what it's going to focus on, like this, gratitude. So let me get this one T out of it. Okay, now I have gratitude, and I don't advise you using a short tail keyword, because a lot of people will have something like this called gratitude. So I might decide to gratitude, or I would decide to write how to be grateful, how to be grateful always. So this means it's a very long word. No one will have this kind of keyword. I might decide to add something and say gratitude every day. Then let's say I've done that. I have that stuff like this. I have this gratitude every day. Then I can move on. You can decide to make a coloring book. You want to write like coloring book made easy. Maybe that's the name of your title. Anything you are giving it. Then the next thing we want to ask is it ordered or unordered? And mind you, if someone have used this title before, this book will, this series will be blocked, because it's going to be in review for a good number of time. Yes, but when you see something like blocked, it means someone have used it. All you have to do is create a new series, long tail series, by just adding some kind of more text to it, so that the title name or the series name become very, very unique. Now the second thing now is it ordered or unordered? The difference between ordered and unordered is this. When you say unordered, it means as you put your book, let it just come inside the catalog without being arranged. For example, you don't want it to be a series. You don't want it to be part 1, part 2, or you don't want it to be edition 1, edition 2, edition 3. You understand? So when it's unordered, it means there is no 5, there is no 4, anyone can come in. But when it's ordered, let's say you're writing a poem book and that talks about part 1, part 2, part 3, then you have to order them. But me, I've been using the unordered. Any books that come in there, the way I've published it, let it just used by the date of the date it was published. That is the ranking I want to put there. So you can use ordered or unordered. The next thing you want to do is your series page image will be automatically created using the first 3 books cover. So when you make when you make any book and you add it to this series, the first 3 books will be added as your book cover. So you are not the one to upload series image. Now the description here, which you can see from here, is optional. You can decide to. So you have to describe your book, what your series page is all about. If you don't have idea, let's say you're making something for, as I've suggested, making something like gratitude, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to generate something for you, just like as you can read. I am creating a series page that focus on gratitude. Please give me a description for it. Make it human voice with easy to comprehend grammar. Then after that, it gave me this, said, welcome to our gratitude series where we embrace the simple yet powerful act of giving thanks. Join us on a journey of appreciation as we explore the beauty of gratitude in everyday life. In this series, we will share heartwarming stories, as you can read faster on the screen. All I have to do is to just hit on copy, and I go back there. Now I can paste it here and ensure it's nice enough. So just ensure you make some adjustment to it and make it more professionally written. Okay, now you're good to go. The next you want to do is to click on submit update, but I will not be submitting update because I am not creating a series right now. So when you click on submit update, you won't see it at your series page. Yes, it's going to just you won't see it at all, but I'm going to tell you what you will do to see it. I'm going to tell you what you do to see it. Now the next thing you want to do is the second style of creating series page, because if the second style of creating series page, let me just go back here. Let me just type on bookshelf. Continue without saving because I'm not saving that. That is the first step. Now the next thing you want to do is to create your book. So I'm going to just go into my dashboard here now and just find one of these drafts. We can continue with the setup. So I'm trying to make a biography about this lady, or you already know her though. So that is just it. So now this is the first thing. This is how you can add your book to that series. Yes. And over the year, you can decide to start creating your series and add the book immediately, or you can add your book to the already created in this first step we just watched. So the first thing you want to start is to choose your language. If you're doing on German, you're doing on Italian, or you are doing on Spanish, you just pick the language of your choice. Yes, I already talked in one of my tutorial how you can upload video in how you can upload ebook in different languages. Yes, so if you want to watch that, you want to upload in German, Spanish, French, you don't know how to go about it, you can watch the video on my channel, and it's going to teach you how to do that immediately. So you go with your book title, you go with your subtitle, which is always optional. Then the next you want to do is you have add series detail, remove from series. You see now, so I have a series page called Grammy Award winner of all time and their biography. That means I'm writing about people who have won Grammy at all places. So now you can see we're having Grammy Award winners of all time and their biography. Now you can see here we have edit series, remove from series. Let's say I want to remove from series. Let me just remove from series so that we can have the first phase that would look stuff. So you see the first one we have add series detail. This is where we start from. So you can decide to say you want to add series. You can start from creating new series, and it's going to take you to the first step you watch. That's why I told you there are 2 ways to create this. Now you have new series. I want to use the existing series. So when you select existing series, the one you created is going to appear at this place. It's going to appear at this place. So, and you see all the books there. If you make 4 different kind of books, it's going to appear 4. But if you make paperback ebook, their total number is 4, but it's going to be recognized as 2 because paperback and ebook under one title, paperback and ebook under one title. That is 2 titles all together. So you're going to select it. If it's here, if it's not, you click on next and you're going to see it. Then let's say I want to add it to this place called Grammy Award. I'll select that. Now that series you create is going to appear here. Yes, it's going to appear. The one you created is going to appear here. Now you're going to choose main content. So you're going to click on main content. It's going to tell you confirm and continue. When you click on confirm and continue, you're going to see it immediately. Let's just say I had it to confirm and continue. Then it's going to click on, you see your series have been updated. automatically it tells you the number it is. You can see. But now if you don't like it, you can say, oh, I've made mistake. You can decide to edit the series detail, or you can remove from series. If you want to edit, all you have to do is to click on go to series manager like this. But if, okay, let's just go to the series. Oh, let's stay like this. Let's not go. You can decide to remove from series. So that is the first way to add your book to series. Let's say I'm good. I can come here and just save as draft, so that we can go back to the series page, or how you can see add your book to series page even when you've created a book. Yes, for example, you've created a book and you want to add it to series page. You've not created series, you just created series, and you have many books that look like travel guides. You want to add them to one series page. It's very simple. All you have to do is now go back to your bookshelf, which is going to open soon. Then you move on to the book you feel like adding to the series page. You come to the right side like this. You can see we have unlink book, which means you can separate the Kindle from the paperback. When you click on unlink, it's going to just unlink it. You can decide to delete the book since it has not been published. A book that has been published cannot be deleted. You can only archive it. And to see the book you've archived, you just have to come to your title and you will see archived titles, and you see all of them appear. So now we're going to see here, you can see manage series. If it's one that is not on series, you can see, then it means we will have to. You can see here, I already added it to it. Let's say no one is in this series, you are going to see here add to series or remove from series. But here I want to click on manage series, and over here now I'm going to move on to the series page, which will tell me, hey, remove. So we can decide to edit series detail, or we can manage. Over this manage, we can add existing series title, create new title, delete title, or we can edit series and make changes to it. I'm just trying to check. Let me just find a particular book that is not in the series, and we'll feel like adding it to the series page. All right, this is awesome. So now we have this one now. We can just come here direct. You can see over here, we can just decide to add to series page. That is one way. If you've created a series, it's not going to appear as I've said. Just come here like this, add to series page, or you can start to archive title as I've said before, and edit all the stuff you want to do. But any book that have been blocked, there's nothing you can do. You can't move it to draft. Yeah, it's going to be turned off. But now this book is live. We just click here. You can add to series page and move on. So if I want to add to series page, all I have to do is to click existing series. I'll select the series. Yeah, I'm going to pick one, and that settles it. So now I said something from the beginning of this tutorial that I'm going to be giving access to Canva Pro. Yes, all you have to do is to send me a DM right now. But before you do that, ensure you turn on the notification bell of this video, subscribe, like. That is the only way you can support me, so that our channel can grow. And you can drop a comment and share with your friend that you think will need this video. So thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next tutorial. And get what the next tutorial is. I want you to do that at the comment section so that I can make video on it as well. Thank you.